Welcome to the Unveiling Model channel, and hello to my future subscribers and my loyal subscribers. Today's aircraft is the Alaska Airlines Boeing 737-9 MAX, painted in a special one-off livery celebrating the National Hockey League's most recent expansion team, the Seattle Kraken. Please watch to the end to see this aircraft's full history. Built by the Boeing Company in the late 2010s from the Boeing Aircraft factory in Renton, Washington, this Boeing 737-9 MAX was initially built and flown in 2019 for full certification. However, due to the worldwide groundings of 737 MAX aircraft, this aircraft, although fully painted out in the modern standard Alaska Airlines livery, was not delivered to the airline until March 22 of 2021. At this time, the aircraft was, and still is, registered to this day in the middle of 2023 as November 915 Alpha Kilo, initially equipped with CFM International LEAP series high bypass turbofans that produce up to 29,317 pounds force or 130 kilonewtons each. These engines provide enough power to fly at normal cruise speeds of 453 knots or 839 kilometers an hour. In October of 2021, the aircraft would get repainted in a special one-off livery celebrating the National Hockey League's most recent expansion team, the Seattle Kraken, located in Alaska Airlines headquarters city of Seattle, Washington. While able to carry up to 222 passengers, this aircraft is currently laid out to carry 178 passengers spread between first class, premium class, and coach. In this configuration, the aircraft is able to carry all its passengers around 3,300 nautical miles or 6,200 kilometers. While the range of this aircraft can allow for international flights outside of North America, this aircraft spends most of its time along the North American West Coast, from as far north as Anchorage, Alaska, to as far south as San Diego, California, with occasional trips to the East Coast to cities like Newark, New Jersey, and Washington, D.C. The video on the screen now is a 1/400 scale model produced by a company called Gemini Jets in 2023. This particular model, as seen here, is one of 3 produced, with the other 2 models produced by Aero Classics in 1/400 scale in 2022, another run by Gemini Jets in 1/200 scale also in 2023. For any enterprise that is interested, this channel is available for advertising for your company. This opportunity is available for all reputable North American companies. Please contact me at the shown email address for details. This channel survives with you, the viewer, and your ongoing support. The more you watch my videos from start to finish helps me get a larger distribution, which will bring in more subscribers. That will then repeat this process. If you like what you've seen, hit those like buttons and spread the word. We've enjoyed making this video, and we hope you've had fun watching it. Thank you, and good day.